Beautiful homes for the largest banker in the country, SBI, from the leading civil engineering brand, Simplex Infrastructures Limited. Being pioneer in civil engineering, Simplex Infrastructures Limited has forayed into various constructions and engineering works across the globe. The Unity Enclave Township, consisting of 1,875 flats, that is 35,28,000 square feet of construction area, started in June 2014 at Mambakam on Medavakkam-Mambakam Main Road. The township has been constructed for the top bankers of our country under well guidance of State Bank of India Officers Association, which has been successfully completed in July 2018. Being the front runner in the construction industry, Simplex has employed the latest Maiban shuttering technology that used aluminium formwork. This advanced construction technique offers strength, durability, and time saving, making the building more seismic resistant. Built with the help of over 3,500 workers and 2 crores 29 lakh man-hours. Equipped with world-class modern amenities, Unity Enclave provides a comfortable and luxurious life to the top bankers in the country. Unity Enclave, consisting of 21 towers, each with 2B plus G plus 15-storied high-rise residential blocks with a clubhouse and a commercial building. It is an undeniable benchmark in the busy Chennai city. The unique features of the project is complete elevated RCC podium of approximate 3 lakh square feet area, with complete rainwater drainage system to meet the rainy season challenges like 2015 flood and Varda cyclone in 2016. The township welcomes with a majestic entrance and walkways with exotic landscapes and fountains. Standard of living is elevated with exquisite living and dining rooms, cozy bedrooms, and a compact in design with a modern kitchen in a way to fulfill the Vastu. External paint is also unique in its segment by making S-band design. Other amenities include power backup with generator, uninterrupted power supply for common areas, solar-powered water heater, surveillance camera protection, piped gas line, and of course, with a high-quality elevator system. With a multi-cuisine cafeteria, gymnasium, swimming pool, indoor games, signature-style spa, terrace bar with a magnificent view of the bustling city. The clubhouse, spread around 52,306 square feet, is the ultimate place for all entertainment and recreational activities. The commercial building, spread around 85,996 square feet with 7 floors, holds a supermarket, bank, ATMs, banquet hall, and convenient office spaces. Unity Enclave will be forever an iconic township in Chennai.